Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I like to make vegan chicken. So if you're new to this channel is all about vegan and cruelty-free products that I own. Also a little bit about eco-friendly products as well, so let's jump right into it. 1 can of chickpeas, 1.5 cup of vegetable stock, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of garlic and onion powder as well, 135 grams of vital wheat, 75 grams of plain flour. Blend this all together until it makes a dough. I forgot to add in vegan Worcestershire sauce. So add in 2 tablespoons of this stuff. Make sure it's vegan friendly. I'll show you what it looks like once it's blended together. And this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to divide it up in 6 pieces and show you what it looks like once it's done. Now place it in some veggie stock for 15 minutes and leave it alone for 15 minutes. Now it's time to make the sauce. So use soya sauce, 6 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can use golden syrup. Use 1 tablespoon of that. That's it. And I'm going to use vegan mayo. You can use spicier sauce if you want. It's entirely up to you. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of vegan mayo. And that's the sauce done. I'll show you what I'll do with the sauce afterwards. Now add on the fake chicken from the veggie stock onto the pan onto a medium heat and cook it each side 2 to 3 minutes. I'll show you what it looks like once it's done. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you what it tastes like. That's the inside of it. I'm going to taste it as well. It's really nice, sweet and sour taste to it. Really nice. So comment below on how you guys like to make your vegan chicken and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you very much for taking the time out and watching me. Have a nice day. Bye.